Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. How is everybody doing out there? Hopefully everybody is having a good day and remaining safe wherever you are. So today's video is going to be come to school with me, come to nail school with me day one. It's going to be titled a vlog, of course. And so in this video, basically I just have little clips of when I was at my first day of class, and basically you'll just kind of see me what I was doing. I just kind of flip the camera on just so that way I can catch me doing some clips. So I'm just going to briefly explain. I'll be coming in and out, of course, to explain what I am doing in each clip. So this clip right here, we started school off by doing theory. And then our theory is actually the bookwork. So they actually do online portion with that due to, of course, what's going on out here in the world. So I already did that before I came into class that particular day. And so right now I'm just shaping. So I am actually shaping the nail tips. I do not put the nail tips on the trainer, on the nail trainer, which is Diamond. So if you see my nail trainer, say what's up, Diamond, in the comments. But yes, so I am actually shaping the nail. And we're learning how to shape the squoval and square and almond shapes. So just as a FYI, that's what I am doing in this clip. And then you'll also see a clip later where I'm doing multiple shaping. And then right here I'm looking at the camera like really weird because I'm making sure that these match up with each other. I'm holding them up because you want to, of course, hold your nails up to your client. Or have your client hold their hand up so that way you can make sure that you filed appropriately. So like I said, see, here's the sheet that I was working on my shaping. So I was doing like 5 nails of each, so that way I can get some practice in. But of course, I have already been practicing for a few months before I went to nail tech school, so had a little experience in that department. So yeah. Okay, so here in this clip, I am just practicing picking up my balls of acrylic. So as you can see, I am dipping my brush into my dapping dish, just that way I can get the air out of the bristles in the brush. And then I'm going to hold my brush in the acrylic for 3 seconds, which will then give me a large ball. Of course, you'll have to adjust based on what size ball that you want, but like I said, I did go ahead and do the large balls to fill up the circles. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing in this clip. And then I did not do the whole sheet, which I should have, but after a while I was like, I got this. So I just moved on from that. And so yeah, that's what I was doing in this clip. And then I'll probably be doing a full set, not a full set, but I'll be laying on this practice sheet, I'll be laying the acrylic in 3 balls or less, or sometimes you may need 4. So not to say that the best method is for you to do 3 balls, but you know, what works for you. If you have a bigger brush, it may end up being 1 ball. If you have a smaller brush, you may need 6 balls. You never know. So it's all based on how you work. So don't get caught up in the fact that you need to learn a so-called quote unquote 3-ball method, because you can pick up as many balls of acrylic as you need to in order to lay your foundation. Your foundation is the most important thing. Okay, so in this clip, this is what I was talking about, learning how to do the 3-ball method. So basically what I am doing is I'm picking up a ball of acrylic. I am laying it in spot number 1, but based on the size of my ball, it will cover spot number 2 and 1. And then you kind of shape that into your nail. And then of course you'd pick up another ball of acrylic, put that in spot number 3. And then number 4 would be your last ball to kind of smooth out for the apex and shape the nail. So just take a look at this. And like I said, I did go ahead and practice that. So if you guys are interested in the practice sheets, I will go ahead and link that below. But just let me know so that way I can come back and attach it for you, because I'm sure you can Google it. But some of the images are blurry. As you can see, my teacher, the teacher of the class was sitting there talking and giving little history background of the nail salons that she owned and the nail salons that she worked at. So if you guys are interested in hearing stuff like that, actually give this video a thumbs up so that way I know to leave the audio in, because I wasn't sure if you guys would be interested in hearing her talk about how many salons she owned, especially after she was saying she was the first Hispanic and, you know, working in different salons, what she has learned, and then, you know, things like that. So let me know if you want me to keep the audio in, because like I said, she's going back in time, and I know some people probably don't want to hear that, but if you do, give the video a thumbs up. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, is I am working on my 3-ball or 4-ball method. So like I said, it's whatever works for you, as long as you get that, lay the foundation correctly, and then you get that nice apex, which is the roundness of the nail by the cuticle, then you are good to go. You're golden. So as you guys can see, I am completely done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.